It is Monday, the 30th of January 2017. We're in the Old Port of Montreal, Old Montreal. We're looking at Notre-Dame de Bonsecours Chapel with statue of Mary up on top there, a couple of angels or cherubs below. We see the moon at the bottom, and we're seeing this flashing light crossing. I guess that's an aircraft. Yeah, with the flashing lights, that's an aircraft. But we're expecting a satellite to pass within minutes. Tiandong, I think it is. Chinese satellite should pass up where we see Venus, and then a little further up we see Mars. So I'm basically waiting for the satellite to pass. I don't think that's there's a slight possibility that is the satellite that we're looking at, but I'm pretty sure it's more likely to be an aircraft. And that sort of soft wash of light that's passing every few seconds there, and again in a few seconds. There. That is the searchlight on top of Place Ville-Marie. So we're in Ville-Marie, we're looking at Marie, that is Mary, statue Mary, and then the light that's passing in the background there is the large searchlight that's on the top of Place Ville-Marie, one of the first, or certainly not the first skyscraper in Montreal, but the first sort of modern one in the 60s, which also has a cruciform pattern. So we got a lot of Christian symbolism going on here. And not necessarily Christian as well, because the cross pattern existed before Jesus, particularly the cruciform. So anyway, we're hoping for a satellite to show up here. Not sure how visible it will be, but according to my understanding, it's supposed to pass at 5:48 up there, and we'll see what time it is now. I got 5:47. So there's a slight possibility, my timing is off, and the timing of the software I was using is off, and that might have been the satellite that passed earlier, but I do not think so. So we're going to keep shooting here for a few more minutes anyway. We see some clouds. Just want to say we're shooting at 3200 ISO at f2.8, 50th of a second shutter speed in manual, with a Nikkor 50mm 1.8 G lens, and the color temperature is 4000 Kelvin, so a bit of bluer than daylight, but less blue than a tungsten type exposure. We have some clouds. This is actually very, very nicely balanced out. What I'm seeing here in video is actually very close to what I'm seeing with the human eye. The lights in the below the statue are burned out in the video. I see much more detail with the naked eye, but that's standard for... Okay, are we seeing the satellite there? Hang on. Just want to have a look at it says 48, so I thought I saw a little flash there. So again, we're going to keep recording for a little while longer. I could have done a still shot, but I thought it'd be interesting to try capturing it on video if possible. This is basically somewhat experimental. So we're going to keep looking at Mary. I really like with the clouds, and you've got a very, very nice view here. This is like I really can't complain about the video in terms of what I see on the screen. So again, it is the 30th of January. We're in the Old Port of Montreal, looking at Notre-Dame de Bonsecours Chapel with the statue of Mary. Mary in the Roman Catholic religion is also known as Queen of Heaven. So it's kind of appropriate that we got the moon and Venus and Mars and Mary, and maybe one or two other celestial objects visible. So yeah, we're going to wrap this up soon, the video, with the cloud pattern there. I think I might be getting a nice still photo coming up. So I think the satellite must have passed I wasn't sure about seeing it. Well, we'll look at the video later, but we're going to go back to shooting stills for now. Just double check the time. Looks like we're going to lose the planets anyway. Yeah, 5:50. Okay, that's it. We're going back to stills.